Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to deposit USDT, ERC20, in a Forex broker. Click on Deposit at the top. And in this section, select the desired account, plus the desired amount for deposit, with a minimum deposit of $50. In this section, select the desired method. We chose crypto, and if you wish, you can enter the desired message in this section. And finally, click on Deposit. In the next step, select the desired currency. We choose USDT and click on Convert and Continue. In the next step, select the desired network. We chose USDT, ETH. In the next step, scan the specified barcode with your wallet for deposit. And if you wish, you can manually add the address to your wallet. Here, we are informed that we must save the reference number of this deposit. And finally, click on Next. Then, in this section, upload a screenshot of your ERC20 receiving address. And in this part, enter the desired address as text. And after entering the reference number, click on Add and register it. Finally, click on Finish. And friends, to check your transaction history, click on Transaction. And in this section, you can see that we successfully received this deposit after 30 minutes. Good luck.